In the previous episode, after exploring Seminyak and Canggu, in this episode we will be visiting one of my most favorite island locations, Nusa Penida Island. And as always, we have a number of suggestions for you: places to eat, places to travel, skip, and some exclusive talking travel recommendations. So let's get right into it. Hello and welcome to a new episode from Bali. Well, आज I am going to be leaving Bali and going to the islands, and in specific, I'm going to the Nusa Penida Island, which is one of the most beautiful islands. I've been to Nusa Penida a couple of times before, but it never gets too much. Nusa Penida is so beautiful. The waters there are so crystal and so azure. अभी मैं बस बाली से निकली हूँ मेरी विला में, जो आपने पिछले एपिसोड में देखी थी इन सेमिनियाक, और अक्सारी विला से बस निकल रही हूँ, वेटिंग फॉर माई कार टू कम. आई एम गोइंग टू द पोर्ट से मैं लूँगी एक फेरी, और फेरी से वी विल बी हेडिंग टू नूसा पेनिडा. So first things first, किसी भी island जाने के लिए you need to head to the ferry terminal, and here I am at the Sanur ferry terminal to get my ferry to Nusa Penida. And just look at the color of the ocean the minute you reach this island. It is so crystal clear and blue. ओके तो मैं फाइनली नूसा पेनिडा पहुंच चुकी हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि जब भी इसके पहले मैं नूसा पेनिडा आई हूँ, मैं सिर्फ डे ट्रिप्स पे आई हूँ. तो यूजुअली लोग बाली से यहाँ डे ट्रिप भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन कम इन द मॉर्निंग एंड गो बैक टू नूसा, कम टू नूसा इन द मॉर्निंग एंड गो बैक टू बाली. That's what I've done as well. But इस बार I'm here for a good 2 nights. I'm going to be staying today and tomorrow. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ, क्योंकि नूसा पेनिडा मुझे हमेशा से रहना था, so that I can spend more time in the evenings etc. to be exploring this beautiful island. तो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे एक आपको island ticket purchase करनी है. It's just for a minimal fee to enter the island as a tourist. ये करके अब मैं जा रही हूँ अपने होटल की तरफ, and then I will let you guys know what's the next plan of action. Alright, so रूम मिलने में अभी टाइम है. रूम का चेक इन टाइम अराउंड 2-2:30 है, तो रूम रेडी नहीं है अभी, सिर्फ 11 ही बजे. सो आई हैव जस्ट चेंज्ड in the washroom, and now I am headed out to explore Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida में कुछ बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर locations है, view points especially. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to obviously go to the beach, because what is coming to an island before without indulging and going into the water and not just watching it, right? So स्कूटी यहीं से रेंट कर लिया. अगेन बेस्ट टू रेंट इट फ्रॉम द प्लेस यू आर स्टेइंग ओनली. तो यहीं पे आप रिटर्न भी कर सकते हो. सो रेंटेड इट फॉर 2 days एंड रेडी टू गो एंड एक्सप्लोर नूसा पेनिडा. लेट्स गो. The best thing about an island like Nusa Penida are the drives here. All you see around while you are driving is the blue ocean as far as the eye can see. Okay, so this is location 1, which is called as Thousand Island. और आपने बहुत ही पॉपुलर ये जो घर है, ट्री हाउस, ये देखा होगा इंस्टाग्राम पे. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम फेमस हाउसेस, जिसके पास सब फ़ोटो खिंचवाते हैं. तो इसकी एक एंट्रेंस फ़ी, पार्किंग फ़ी आपको देनी है 5,000, एंड 25K इज़ द एंट्रेंस फ़ी टू बी एबल टू एक्सेस ऑल दिस 4 places, which is Thousand Island, Five King and the Tree House. और हाँ, अगर आपको ट्री हाउस पे फ़ोटो खिंचवानी है तो इसका अलग फीस है. दैट इज़ आई थिंक 75,000 per person. So that's that, and I'm going to be going to Thousand Island and Five King. Nestled on the southern coast of Bali, Thousand Island Viewpoint is one of the most breathtaking spots on the island. Located near the village of Benoa, this viewpoint offers panoramic views of crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush tropical greenery. From the top of the hill, you can enjoy stunning views of numerous small islands dotting the ocean, hence the name Thousand Island Viewpoint. Alright, so this is the beautiful point जहाँ से इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है मेरे पीछे. The color of the ocean is just majestic. तो यहाँ से आप नीचे उतर सकते हो basically. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it on this video, but वहाँ पे तक you can go, you can walk and go. मैं पूरा end तक नहीं उतरना चाहती because मैंने last time जब बाली आई थी Kelingking Beach का hike किया था 1 hour down and 1.5 hour upways. तो I know it was quite tedious for me. तो मैं सिर्फ एक point तक यहाँ से जाने वाली हूँ और maybe get some pictures, get some videos from there and then come back up. And then on to the next location, which had to be my most favorite one in Nusa Penida so far. We are headed Tembeling Beach and Natural Pool, जिसकी एंट्रेंस पर पहुंच के you need to go with the locals on their bike क्योंकि रास्ता बहुत ही खराब है और सिर्फ they can navigate through it and take you across. So I hopped onto the bike and off we went.
Okay, so the bike guy has left us here और इसके बाद थोड़ा सा चल के जाना है नीचे for the beach and for the pool जो आसपास में ही है. मैं भी पहली बार आ रही तो let's go and see. The route was really funny. It was a very bumpy ride, a fun one. Let's go.
Okay, 1 minute into walking and I can hear and see the beach in front of me. My excitement level for beaches is just different. It's just unmatched. And I would do this on a hot sunny day like today only and only to get to a beach. और किसी के लिए मैं ये नहीं करती. Let's go. और थोड़ा आगे जाते ही you will find the beautiful beach and come across a naturally formed pool right opposite the beach. This is the Tembeling Natural Pool and the Tembeling Beach. But as I was exploring this area, I came across a cave and I decided to go and check it out since I could hear waves crashing from underneath it. And this is what it led me to. A secret beach right across the cave, and what a place this was. अगर आपने नूसा पेनीडा के बारे में सुना या पढ़ा है तो you would also definitely have heard of the broken beach or the angels billabong. अगर ना सुना हो तो ये देख के तो याद आ ही जाएगा. In my 2 visits to Bali so far, I had never been here, so I decided to catch a sunset from the broken beach today. Located on the island's western coast, these two sites showcase the raw beauty and power of nature. Broken Beach is a natural rock formation with a large hole in the limestone cliff, allowing seawater to flow into a natural pool below. It's a great place to come catch a sunset at and to end the day. Hello and a very good morning from Nusa Penida. This is by far one of my most beautiful mornings क्योंकि जगह इतनी सुंदर है और अच्छी जगह में उठ के अच्छा फील होता है. तो अभी मैं बस अपने होटल में ही हूँ. बाय द वे जो इस होटल में मैंने कल चेक इन किया था बट शाम हो गई थी और मुझे आपको ये जगह दिखानी थी बट इन द डे टाइम इट्स बिकॉज इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. तो अभी वो रूम क्लीनिंग कर रही है जिसके बाद मैं आपको जगह दिखाऊंगी. बट अभी फ़िलहाल मैं उठ के बस जा रही हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. तो लेट्स गो. show you around this beautiful hotel. इसका नाम मैम्बो होटल है और 2 मैम्बो होटल्स है यहाँ नूसा पेनीडा में. So this is the hill hotel, not the beach one. This is the Mambo Hill Hotel and it's so beautiful. The most beautiful part of it is outside the room. Actually, I'll just show it to you in a bit.
and I am finally ready to head out. मैं जा रही हूँ सबसे पहली जगह पे, which is the beautiful Keliging Beach. अगर आपको पता है, आपको मोस्टली पता होना ही चाहिए कि Keliging Beach is like a postcard picture जो T-Rex है of Bali. If you don't know, तो अब जब मैं जाऊँगी आप देखोगे, you will easily be able to recognize what is this place that I'm talking about. तो बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, as usual in Bali. It's just Bali things. But I'm ready with my helmet, ready to go on the bike. Let's go to location 1.
The Killington Beach gets its nickname from the unique rock formation that resembles a Tyrannosaurus rex dinosaur's head. Upon reaching, you will be greeted with stunning panoramic views of the crystal clear turquoise water and the pristine white sand below. The beach is accessible through a steep and challenging hike down a narrow cliffside path. और मैं ये एक बार कर चुकी हूँ, so today I decided to just stay up and show you guys the beach from here. ये देखो, this is the path that goes down where you can actually see people right now hiking. The hike down takes about 45 minutes and up about an hour. And Bali being Bali, it began to rain, so I decided to stay in for a while at a cafe right outside the T-Rex viewing point and get some ice cream. Bali is known for some of the most aesthetic and beautiful cafes serving some great coffees, and I happened to find one of the most beautiful cafes, Nusa Penida.
So I found this extremely beautiful cafe. It's called a Secret Penida Cafe, and I wanted to just come by and grab something to eat. मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं, ब्रेकफास्ट किया था, उसके बाद से कुछ नहीं खाया, तो I'm very hungry. And यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एकदम ही मतलब बीच पे है ये cafe. So it's very beautiful. Let's go and eat something.
This is the secret cafe in Nusa Penida, and the vibe here is totally unmatched with the waves crashing right at your feet. But I wanted to end the day at a beach, and so I drove to the Crystal Bay Beach, one of the very few beaches of Nusa Penida which doesn't require a hike to get to. And I reached here just in time for a beautiful pink sunset. Well, that's it for episode 2 from Nusa Penida. I had a beautiful time here, and I hope you guys also loved watching this video. But stay tuned for episode 3, because in episode 3 we're going to be visiting my most favorite part of Bali, that is Ubud. Stay tuned.